Well, sige diba, very bubbly siya and parang, I think, talaga, I could say that she's a star. Playtime yung nag-music dito.
Well, as we wrap this up for you this afternoon, Paolo, how important is it to you to be the face of Wiltec?
For me, it's I just want to say that I just don't want to be a poster boy whenever I get to be an ambassador or face of a brand or a company. It always has to but it has to do something. It has to mean something to me. Like everything I endorse, everything na brand ambassador ako, I use the products or
it has to, influence your life in some way.
Yes, that's why I was very happy when Realtek finally got me, because I ride motorcycles every day. Like any kind of basta gulong, lalagay mo sa kalsada, sa truck, sa off-road, kahit skateboard pa yan, kahit rollerblades pa yan. But I'm very happy that Realtek finally got me dahil ang tagal ko talaga naghihintay na sana kunin naman ako ni boss ko at ngayon.
Nako, Paolo, baka ma-addict ka. Baka ma-addict ka sa kakaride.
Oh my.
This opens a new chapter in your life. Pero ako meron akong suggestion na pwede na lang gawin kay Paolo.
Ano yan?
Alam niyo ba yung nag-viral na elevator moment niya?
Oo!
Eh, pwede niyo na gawin yan sa mga Wiltec branch.
Diba?
Diba yung kumari, ikaw yung nagbebenta, tapos nakaano ka ng Wiltec
Gusto niyo may
uniform.
motorcycle, wala nag-uwi, papunta sa elevator.
Ano daw?
Motorcycle na nag-uwi sa elevator.
Pwede naman.
Basta bawal lumabas ng classroom. Joke lang. Malapakaroon po natin, Paolo Avellino!
Thank you everyone. It's an honor to be the new face of Realtek. Thank you sa lahat ng namamahal at namumuo ng Realtek Group of Companies, to all the brands that are here. Thank you, and I hope I get to work with everyone.
We look forward to seeing you on the road. Once again, your new brand ambassador for Realtek, Paolo Avellino.
Thank you so much.
Isa lang po. Pag dalawa po, may bayad.
Ano? Isa lang yan. Ay, 3 na yan, Pao, ah. May bayad na yan, Pao. Paborito naman daw.